Starting from the 21st verse of the first chapter, let us look at the different words used to refer to Krishna and Arjuna and the special situation specific meanings they carry. These words need not have been literally spoken by the original characters. Rather, we can understand that sage Vyasa deliberately used them while composing the verses to reveal subtle truths to us. In verse 21, when Arjuna asks Krishna to place his chariot between the two armies, Krishna is addressed as Achyuta. Achyuta means the one who never sleeps. When one stands in between two opposing sides to clearly see their strengths and weaknesses, one needs a support that never wavers. Such a support helps us regain balance even if we momentarily slip. Here, Arjuna holds on to Krishna as that unwavering support. Even though he is overwhelmed with deep sorrow and has collapsed in the chariot, he has not let go of Krishna.